Good morning, Queensland. Last night was honestly amazing. We've never seen anything like it, with the sunset going over the hills in the background.
We always get such a good start to a new state,
Yep.
and the sun is just beaming today, so I'm super excited.
Yep.
We're going to head into Lamington National Park today. We're going to stay right in the middle of it at O'Reilly's campground. Unfortunately for us, we are used to free camping, so that one is quite over budget.
Yeah.
But because of that, we're just going to stay the one night and set ourselves a bit of a challenge to see as much as we can in the national park in just 2 days.
Yep.
So we better get a move on though, because it's already 10 and we still got about an hour drive to get to the national park.
So we're going to pack up and get going. Treetop walk. You ready or what? Let's go. Alrighty guys, first walk done. The treetops it was, and first impressions were 100% recommend.
We're trying to walk a bit quietly because there's so many different kinds of birds that we've spotted, breeds that we've never even seen before. So,
and I got them on camera.
Hopefully, we've got a few good shots there for you. But we're just going to head back to the car now and have a bit of lunch, and then we're going to put the real hiking shoes on and
get into some big hikes. Kind of looking forward to it, kind of not looking forward to getting puffed out.
I suggested a 17-kilometre one to Jack, but he said flat
no
out
way.
No. So
not today.
We'll see what we can do.
Yeah, let's see what's in store. Okay guys, we're halfway through our next hike. Took us about 30 minutes, 40 minutes to bloody find the parking spot.
Yeah, we lost some time on that one, so our challenge isn't going too well, but we'll push ahead, see how we go.
Yeah.
So we're at Moran's Falls track now, which is a 4.4 kilometre hike. Seems pretty easy so far. The track is really well carved out.
We're not sure if it's a big or a small waterfall. We're just going to find out.
We haven't really done much research at all on this national park, so I guess we'll figure things out as we go, and you can come along with us.
Good morning guys, we're on a sunrise mission this morning, a little 3.1 kilometre hike. Sorry we didn't get back to you last night in the vlogging. All our camera batteries died. We got 3 batteries, and 1 genuine one and 2 ungenuine ones, and they just always just die out of nowhere. They say they've got 100% and then they die. So we're back on it, batteries are charged, and let's see where we're bloody going. We're almost there, but just look at the scenery change. It's gone from full rainforest to these, I don't know what these trees are called, but these ones have just started popping up everywhere, and just the whole colouring's changed. Oh, I can see the lookout. We made it. Get a load of that bloody view. Look at that waterfall in the background there. It's massive. That's the one we went and saw yesterday, but it looks better from here. Holy moly, look at that. So it says there it is a 300-metre sheer drop to the bottom, and you can see it. It is insane. You would not want to fall off there. Hey Megan. There's so many different landscapes here.
first glance you look at it and you just think like, you know, it's just a hill like this, but then when you really look at it and you see how many different mountains there are with all different forest climates, we learnt yesterday.
There's like what? How many different?
5 different climates of forest.
Yeah, and you can tell by looking at it. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell in the camera.
The different shades of green. It's not just the sunlight, it's actually the different forest climates, which is really interesting.
I don't think you can tell in camera, but there is different colours. There's different kind of forests going on down there. You can see there, down there. On the right hand side of the waterfall, it's a different colour to the left hand side. As you can see, this is why we did not have a good sleep last night. Megan's looking cheerful. We were on the biggest slope last night. I turned the car around so our feet were facing down the hill. I tried the max tracks, I put rocks under the tyres, and it was just an absolute disaster.
I don't know, usually we like to, you know, be positive and suggest really good campgrounds to you, but I don't think this is anywhere near worth.
Yeah, we're going to tell you, we're not recommending it. What's on the menu for breakfast today, Megan?
We are having our banana bread.
Banana bread.
Well, it's not really banana bread, it's like toast with
bananas on the top.
Yeah, and peanut butter and like a bunch of other
bits
ingredients.
And pieces.
We don't really have like simple breakfasts. I literally they're all my recipes.
We don't eat cereal with milk or wheat beaks.
Pretty much all of our breakfasts, except for when we have eggs, we'll have at least like 7 ingredients.
Yeah, it's a bit annoying, but it's very tasty. Wait till you see the banana bread, it's bloody brilliant.
So we ended up leaving Lamington National Park earlier than we expected. There weren't too many more hikes that we were really keen on doing because they were sort of over the 10-kilometre mark, which normally would probably be like pretty keen to do them, but after last night's sleep, not so much.
No way. So we tapped out.
So we've come to the Springbrook National Park today instead, and we're just going to try and see as much as we can in one day here.
Yep.
First up is Perling Falls.
And we're so happy we came here because have a look at this. So far, this place is pretty cool.
Yeah, not to throw shade on Lamington or anything, but so far this place is...
Lamington was pretty good.
Yeah, it was good, but in hindsight, we definitely should not have paid that much money to spend the night there last night.
Nah, because it's more of a one-day thing.
Could have just done it in a day and then come down here to spend the night instead.
Yeah, so we've already seen a few things along the trail. It's only been like 1.5 kilometres, so it's looking good.